This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Lynch. Stunning 4-story condo is perfect for the chance to live a few hundred feet to the beach. First floor has a bedroom with ensuite bath and a private patio. Second floor has primary bedroom with ensuite bath and private balcony along with a laundry and additional bedroom west/bath. Third floor is living room, dining room, half bath and large kitchen with plenty of cabinet space. Fourth floor is a bonus room great for office, den or play room and has a large balcony with beach view. Large storage closets on each floor. Roof was replaced in 2021 and HVAC in 2017. Condo fee includes master policy, water, sewer, trash, and grounds maintenance. For more information, review the details below.